You are welcome to Nollywood Unscripted. Jeff Owolewa is my name. Sherry Austin Emmanuel ten wo yẹn ó ní agídí. Austin Emmanuel ní baba ńlá yálà ya agídí. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè bá sọ látàárọ̀ dalẹ́ tí inú ẹ̀yẹn ló máa ṣe. Ibi tí Austin Emmanuel ní agídí dé, come rain come shine. Kí ọ̀run kó jábọ́ báyìí tí inú ẹ̀yẹn òun ló máa ṣe. Ṣé wá rí ọ̀rọ̀ Ibrahim Itele? Ibrahim Itele is a very adamant human being. Itele dẹ̀ lójú kòkòrò. Itele ní yálà ya ojú kòkòrò. Bọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe lọ gọ́gọ́ lélẹ̀. Ṣé rí Austin Emmanuel àti Itele mo mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa. Mo mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa tíjọ́ wà kò kí ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ 15-18 years. Yes. Now another thing tí mo fẹ́ sọ pa àwọn méjèèjì ni pé ṣé rí ìjàlódé onídòwe o, ìjàlódé lóní fi dòwe, you get me? But the thing is, Austin Emmanuel ibi tí ó gbà ní agídí ẹ̀ òun lélẹ́yìí. Tí Austin Emmanuel bá kọ story, even nígbà táwọn marketer máa sponsor àwọn stories, tó máa sponsor films yẹn, tó bá kọ story tán, tí marketer tó fẹ́ gbówó fíìmù yẹn lẹ̀, tó bá sọ fún pé ẹni báyìí lòun fẹ́ kó lò sí character báyìí, sí character báyìí, Austin ó máa sọ fún wọn pé rọ́ ẹni báyìí ni mo fẹ́ lò. Ibi tá agídí yẹn ti ń jẹyọ gọ́gọ́ nìyẹn o. Agídí inú ẹ̀ ó pọ̀. Ó máa kọ̀ jálẹ̀ ní pé ọ̀hún lè máa fọwọ́ lálẹ̀ fóun. Ẹni tóun fẹ́ lò yẹn gọ́gọ́ lòun máa lò. Ó jẹ́ kí n rántí time tí à ń ya fíìmù ọ̀gá ńlá. Fíìmù ọ̀gá ńlá nígbà tí ọ̀gá ńlá tí Alhaji Wasiu Alabi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé táìtù ọ̀gá ńlá yẹn dé, tí everywhere boss trend yẹn lọ fà gan. Austin Emmanuel wá kọ story ọ̀gá ńlá, kọ film ọ̀gá ńlá. Nínú story yẹn mo wà lára àwọn major cast. Ẹ tó bá rántí fíìmù yẹn ní year yẹn, mo wà lára àwọn major cast. Austin ti sọ fún pé ó máa ṣiṣẹ́ ní date bye PM máa pè ẹ́ àti sort. Gbans wọ́n tó máa di ọjọ́ yẹn, everybody ti wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ń shoot lọ rẹpẹtẹ. Bọ̀m̀bá tí máa fi dé Òṣòdì, òjò burúkú yìí ló bá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Everybody, òjò yẹn rọ̀ débi pé mọ́tò lè lọ sí anywhere, everybody park. Àwọn dẹ̀ ti ń shoot lọ. Ngbà tí máa fi dé orí set yẹn, wọ́n jókòó ni. Wọ́n jó dé mi. Mo mọ̀ pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá ń sọ fún mi. Bàtà parí iṣẹ́ tó wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá sọ fún mi pé scene tó yẹ kí n ṣe, character tó yẹ kí n ṣe, torí ọ̀gá ńlá ti wà around, Alhaji Wasiu Alabi máa ti wà around, ọ̀dẹ̀ lè delay wọn. Scene tó yẹ kí n ṣe, àwọn wọ́n ti sọ fún Austin pé jẹ́ ká lọ ẹlòmíì náà, ṣé Jeff nìkan ló lè ṣe character yẹn, jẹ́ ká lọ. Austin insist pé rọ́ Jeff ló máa ṣe character yẹn tí ó bá dé mi níyà. Ibi tí agídí ẹ̀ tó ya wèrè sí nìyẹn o. He insisted that I must be the one that will play that character, and he did just that. Mo fọ́ mo wá wò báyìí, ó ní kàkà tá máa fi ya scene tí Jeff máa ṣe yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ máa ya àwọn scenes míì tí Jeff ò sí. Ó dẹ̀ ti pè mí, bọ̀bọ̀ mò ń bọ̀, mo wà lọ́nà mi ní pẹ́ dé. Ó dá wọn dúró dè mí. Agídí tí Austin Emmanuel ní òun nìyẹn o. Kò lè change mind ẹ̀, because òun ló kọ story, òun ló mọ nǹkan tó rí nínú àwọn artist tó cast sí each character. Lè change mind ẹ̀. Ibi tí àwọn agídí Austin wà nìyẹn o. Lè change mind ẹ̀ láyé. Another thing I like about him, òun ni wípé no matter how big, no matter how rich, no matter how influential you are, you cannot intimidate Austin Emmanuel. Láwọn kan wà mí sọ pé Austin onígbéraga, ìgbéraga ti pọ̀ jù. He's his person. He's a very principled man. He loves to make his mistakes, and he will learn. Tó ń bá ṣe nǹkan kan, tó bá yẹ pé mistake ni ó máa learn from that mistake. He's a person that does not shy away from, his mistakes. Tó bá ṣe mistake ó máa sọ fún ẹ pé okay, ó ti lọ nìyẹn. Kò dẹ̀ kí n gbé kò kí n fìyàn sínú. Austin ti ní ìjà pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn kan tó yẹ pé ìgbà táwọn èèyàn máa padà dé ogbojú nǹkan kan ń jọ lójú ni that's why a lot of people will see him like his pompous is this one nǹkan kan kì í jọ lójú. That is Austin Emmanuel. Agídí tó dẹ̀ ní kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ sọ fún pé kó change mind ẹ̀ lórí nǹkan tó bá èèyàn tó bá cast síṣẹ́ kò ní change mind ẹ̀. Ṣé wá rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ibrahim Itele ojú kòkòrò tí mo ní Itele ní ojú kòkòrò yẹn when you have a positive ojú kòkòrò tó bá ṣe nǹkan tó dáa níwájú Itele kò ní bínú ẹ̀ bóun náà ṣe máa ṣe nǹkan tó dáa tó máa meet up pẹ̀lú level tó wà yẹn eré ẹ̀ ló máa sá. He is very very ambitious. Tí máa máa lo òyìnbó fi describe ẹ̀ Itele is very very ambitious. Over ambitious. He doesn't wait. He doesn't rest. He is not, until he gets what he wants. He doesn't wait. Kò ní dúró títí tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ máa fi tẹ nǹkan tó fẹ́ gbà. Ojú kòkòrò tó ní nìyẹn. Òun lè máa fi rí pé he is very successful. Because when you find yourself in the midst of successful people that are more successful than you, people that are on another level, lórí level tí o ti dé, Itele is someone that will make sure he emulates that person until he too become that successful. Did you get? Ojú kòkòrò tó ní nìyẹn. Ó take èèyàn tó ní ojú kòkòrò láti wà pẹ̀lú àwọn tó ṣoríire. Because a lot of people ẹlòmíì kò kí ń ṣe pé bóyá mo wà pẹ̀lú ẹni tó ṣoríire lèmi náà máa ṣoríire o má gọrẹ o. Gbogbo àwọn billionaires tá à ń rí yẹn they have staffs working for them o. Kò mí pé bóyá àwọn náà máa di millionaire o. Tálákà pọ̀ láàrin àwọn tó ń bá àwọn billionaires ṣiṣẹ́. But Itele ní ojú kòkòrò ìṣerere. Òun lè máa fi rí pé anytime tí Itele bá máa sọ̀rọ̀ Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ ó máa ń fi a lot of respect sí torí pé Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ is a person Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ has been so supportive of his career. Ó ti pẹ́ no be today. Do you get? Lè máa fi rí pé Itele gangan kò he doesn't joke with Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ back to back kidney. Do you get? When you have someone as a mentor that is as big as that, tí o bá level up ìwọ ló mọ̀. You get me? Ojú kòkòrò tí Itele ní nìyẹn. Ojú kòkòrò oríire ni kò kí is very very ambitious, very very ambitious. He doesn't rest until he gets it done. He doesn't rest until he gets what he desires. Do you get? That is Itele for you. So the only thing tó wà láàrin àwọn méjèèjì tí mo rí pé ó fẹ́ dá ọ̀hún wulẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì kò kí n ṣe obìnrin ló fàjà wọn, because some people actually say bí tọkùnrin méjì bá ti ń jà wọn láti jẹ́ pé obìnrin ló fàjà wọn àbówó. Kò kí n ṣe obìnrin ló fàjà wọn, kò dẹ̀ kí n ṣe owó ló fàjà wọn. Kí ló fàjà wọn? Ṣé ti rí Yorùbá máa ń sọ pé ààrẹ má já òsì àjàmá rẹ̀ náà tún sí. You get me? Àwọn àtẹnu náà ń jà. Ọmọ ìyá méjì that both of them were born from the same womb, wọ́n máa ń jà. Ọkọ àti ìyàwó tó jọ ń gbélé tán fẹ́ra wọn, wọ́n máa ń jà. But kò mí pé bóyá wọn like ara wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n já yín. See, ibi táwọn méjèèjì close dé. As a matter of fact, it got to a point. Even me, I didn't believe both of them are having issues. I'm telling you. Because tí Itele bá ń ṣiṣẹ́, Austin máa ń wà ńbẹ̀. Ọmọ àjọ ń wà steady. They share ideas. Technically, they run things, they run game. Tí Austin bá ń ṣiṣẹ́, gbogbo time tá à ń ya àwọn films àwọn Austin, films like Itele, àwọn films yẹn tá à ń ya àwọn films yẹn, Itele ló máa ń ṣe production manager. Tá bá ń shoot tí Austin bá ṣe báyìí tó bá kàn ṣe báyìí Itele ti mọ nǹkan tó mean tí Itele bá ṣe báyìí Austin ti mọ nǹkan tó mean they are that close the whole day oh ni no I love the way both of them operate nígbà yẹn tí Austin bá ń shoot tí Austin direct tí Itele ṣe PM ó ní gbọ́ ohun PM ó ní gbọ́ ohun director ó dẹ̀ shoot àdé máa shoot iṣẹ́ ń lọ progress ń lọ lórí iṣẹ́ yẹn ẹ ní gbọ́ pẹ́kẹ́ oníjọ́ kan tí ó dà pé à ń shoot artist kan wà á ti dé tension ti ń wá ẹ mọ̀ pé production lágbára gan production dàbí ìgbà wo bá dàbí life and death ń gbà mí ni but a lot of people don't know but if you are in the game especially if you are a producer even when you are in the movie industry if you are not a producer you will not understand some things when it comes to production. That is why a lot of some artists they take production for granted. Some artists, discipline is very key. Now, okay, there was a day when they were shooting. Actually, don't be artists come today. So time won law. Artists come out of the set. I want the artists to continue about the release the so tension, as a producer and your friend at the PM. Oh, to bari bí wọ́n ṣe solve ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Gbọ́n kankan. And everything went smoothly. They were that close, very close. They were as thick as thieves. What close it gone? And he said, "Tí yẹn bá ṣe báyìí, èkejì tí mo nǹkan tó sọ, ó ní gbọ́ pẹ́kẹ́. Hey, move the gen. Hey. Oh God. I just wish those days could come back. I wish I could rewind the time. I wish I could just rewind the hands of time. I'm telling you, because when you see two people making serious progress, me man do. But when things went, sideways, when things went south between the two of them, kò kí n ṣọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin ló fà, kò dẹ̀ kí n ṣọ̀rọ̀ owó. I'm telling you, because a lot of people try láti dá sí láti settle ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Mo rántí Samofi Lágbàdo. Wọ́n dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, and Samofi, is one person tí everybody respect. You get Austin, Emmanuel, Itele, Amedeji respect Samofi. Everybody respect Samofi. Agbani, chairman. So wọ́n fi náà dá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. As at that point, bàtí wọ́n ti gbọ́ pé wọ́n fi ti dá sí mo ní Samofi máa settle ẹ̀. Later ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò settle. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ náà tún dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò settle. Antalaniyan bàbá Antalaniyan tún dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò settle. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lọ fà because both of them they kind of they were so connected. So I'm just using this medium to I hope both of them can find a common ground and settle whatever it is, because ọ̀rọ̀ láàrin ọkùnrin méjì tí kò bá ti ń ṣe pé bí obìnrin ló dájà lẹ̀ tàbí owó kò yẹ kó le tó yẹn now. Whatever differences tó bá wà láàrin àwọn méjèèjì, I just hope they can settle it. I just hope I can call Itele. Itele, how far now? Kí ló happen? Austin, Austin wà ní mọ́tò mi. Make both of them make everybody calm down. Maybe we can't squash this beef. You get me? Because both of them together, they did great things. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sọ pé tí erin méjì bá jà koríko bẹ̀ ló máa suffer. That time, production wise, everything was, but adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ibi tọ́lọ́run bá wa bá dé báyìí, mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run máa tún ṣe jù báyìí lọ fún everybody. Torí pé kì í ṣọmọdé mọ́. Ṣé get? Everybody ti bímọ, everybody ti ń dàgbà àti mọ́ but our time come out. There is always a time for everything. A time to be friends, a time to be enemies, and a time to settle. I believe that restitution will take place and they will settle whatever they have between the both of them. You get me? Because time will definitely heal all wounds. So Ibrahim Itele, Austin Emmanuel, I just hope you guys can find a common ground to resolve whatever issues between you guys. Jeff Owolewa is my name. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press that notification button. So when my next video is popping up, you will be the first to see it. God bless you as you watch my videos. And please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. God bless you. Hala.
Nollywood Unscripted with Jeff Owole. I love it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.